we are going to attend our 4th year exam. Behind the boy, Kamrul, great guy. Pichu ball, last exam তোর
দিদার তুই বিয়ে কর, তোর বিয়ের বয়স হয়ে গেল, এটাই বললাম।
Great man. He will do better in 4th year exam. Alamin, great man. তুমি একটা হাই দিও and ইতিহাস guy and hair এই বেড়া হবে না কি বলো lovely loving guy. He will do better. And mama, a topper man. I called. There will better in the criticism exam. And mama, hide na. Hey mama, hide. And our lovely teacher. He is a genius guy. Love you, man. Suddenly meet my friend. Yeah. কেমন দিলি? And coming there, they are intelligent and good guy. The best. Best in criticism exam. And Najib, a lovely man. He will do better. Also Johnny. All are multi-talented 4th year candidate. After finishing exam, all are gathered. And we found here a childhood guy, a lovely friend, Riyazul. I told probably that he will do better in the exam.
very বলার মতো নাই, কি বলবো
Being guy, Ripon, he will do better in the criticism examination.